Hi students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today, teacher is going to teach you about addition of decimals. Before we start our lessons today, let me go through the place value of decimals. Students, do you know how to read this number? Some of you will read these as 2.416. Is that correct? Wrong. We should read this as 2.416. Do you understand, students? Before this decimal is called ones. After the decimal, it starts from tenths, then hundredths, then thousandth. Now, let us go and see the first example. 3.56 plus 1.23. We will be solve this question by using the vertical form. First, we must write the 3.56. Then, write the second number. Before we write 1.23, make sure you place the decimal first. Then, write the numbers accordingly. Students, before you start to count, please place the decimal first. Then you can start from the behind number. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Then 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. And don't worry about the decimal because we already placed it. So we can continue counting the 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 4.79. Do you understand, students? Let us go and see the second example. The question is 7.2 plus 10.41. How we are going to write this first? Yes, we must write the 7.2 first. Next, yes, we must drop the point before write the numbers. 0, 1, 4, 1. This is the way of writing correctly. I'm doing this is because to make sure you are not placing the numbers and a decimal in a wrong place. So before you start to write the second number, make sure you write the decimal first. Then on your left we have 0, then 1. After the decimal we have 4 and 1. So now we can add the numbers. But students, this question looks awkward a bit because there is no numbers here. What we are going to do now? You may put 0 there. So it looks better. So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Before we put the 1, we must always place the decimal first. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. And 7 plus 0, 7. Then 1. So the answer is 17.61. Do you understand, students? Now let us see a simple problem solving questions. Add all the masses of fruits. Pineapple is 1.3 kg. Watermelon is 4.207 kg. And the papaya is 0.96 kg. The keyword in this question is add. So we must add all the masses. Before we add the numbers, we must write the number sentence first. The number sentence is 1.3 kg plus 4.207 kg plus 0.96 kg. So we just add the 1.3 kg plus 4.207 kg first. 1.3 kg. Students, make sure you write the unit. If you never write it, your answer will be wrong. Next, we put plus. Before we write the number, we must place the decimal. Then write the number accordingly. Students, in this question, the numbers and the decimals are in a correct place. But we must also write the unit in a same place. So bring this kilogram at the back. After that, you can write 0 in an empty places. Before start to add, you can place the decimal first. If not, we might forgot to put the decimal. If you never write the decimal, your answer will be wrong. Students, before add the number, we must put the kg first. Then 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then we put the decimal already. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. Is that over here, students? No, we still have 0.96 kilogram to add. For add the number, we must add together with this total. So 5.507 kilogram plus 0.96 kilogram. We can place 0 in an empty place. Before start, we must place the decimal, then write the kilogram first. 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 6 is 6. Students, 5 plus 9 is equals to 14. Can we write 14 in the same place value? We cannot write. So, we must write the 4 here and 1 over here. So 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. So the answer is 6.467 kilogram. Students, make sure you write the units. Do you understand, students? Now, teacher going to teach you another example on unknown. 0.98 plus unknown is equals to 6.735. Students, how we are going to find this number? Yes, we can put this as a unknown. You can write any unknown. For example, A, you can write P, you can write K, whatever that you like, but only one unknown. So teacher will put K, and it's equals to, we just drop this number over here, and in the place that we have put the unknown, we should not have the other number. So what we are going to do with this 0.98? Students, here in front of this number we don't have any operation. That means there is plus. So when plus go over here, it will be turned to minus. Plus go over here will turn to minus. If minus will come here, it will turn to plus. Do you understand, students? So there is no operation there. That means it is a positive number. So positive come over here, it will turn to negative, which is minus, and bring the 0.98 here. Do you understand, students? Once you find the new number sentence, we may solve the question in a vertical form. So 6.735 minus 0.98. We can place 0 in an empty place. Before we start count, we drop the decimal first. Students, this is not plus. Look at the symbol here. This is minus. So 5 minus 0 is equals to 5. Now 3 minus 8. Can we minus 8 from 3? Cannot. So we must borrow from the 7. Now the number that we get after we borrow is 13. 13 minus 8 is equals to 5. Next, 6 minus 9. We can't minus the 9 from 6, so we borrow from the 6 over here. Now 16 minus 9. Students, 16 minus 9 is equals to 7, correct? The last one is 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0, we get 5. So the answer is 5.755. Do you understand, students? I hope all of you understand today's lesson. Try to do more practice on this topic. Thank you.